G'day from Bang Saray. Yeah, I'm back. Woo! In the afternoon. Who doesn't want to come and live here? Look at it. Paradise. I've got some crackers today. So it's late afternoon. I'm not normally down here this late, but that's just the way it worked out today. And today I'm going to show you another building, Saran, not Czen, Saran, with two condos in there. One's 7,000 baht a month, not bad, studio, clean, tidy. And another one in there is 8.5, and then I'll show you a 48 square metre corner unit in Mirage for 13,500 a month. Stick around, guys. Should be fun. Let's go. Righto, first condos. Saran. Good building, this one. Good rooftop pool, good view from the pool, good gym. And that's condo just there. And off in the distance, where you can see the crane, that's just the centre of town. 7-Eleven right there. Very close. So we're going to look at two studios. One's 7,000 baht a month. That's right, long term only. And the other one is 8,500 a month. Studio again, but they're going to do, they can do short term, 10,000 a month. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Second floor, this is Saran. What a private little balcony. This is 7,000 a month. You get this little table and chairs here. Little balcony. Nice and clean and modern. Comfortable bed. 25 square metre studio. Wi-Fi is not included. Water and electric is government rate. Where's the AC? There you go, so nice and cool. Be cheap to run this place because, well, you're going to be out all day and just have it on at night. And look, you've got this little table. Folds up. Like so. Excuse me. And a mate of mine that bought my CX5 lives here, Aussie, Dave. Just spotted my old CX5 in the car park. $7,000 a month. It's pretty cheap. Toaster, kettle, Electrolytes, good brand. Mitsubishi fridge, knife block. No, oh, there is a microwave. There you go. Some water down there. Some fry pans. No washing machine. And your nice, modern, clean bathroom. Hot water. Rain shower. Wow. Just open the door. That's the corridor. We'll go and have a look at the other room and then show you the facilities. But I reckon that is cheap. Second floor again. Saran, another studio, but on the other side of the building. This one's facing north, so you get very little sun. Bit of a nicer balcony. This one's 8,500 a month. So it's 1,500 more than the other one, but it gets a slightly bigger TV. Same comfy bed. Exactly the same layout. Just a bit more furniture. And this one's available on short term too. So short term is 10,000 a month for this one. But exactly the same. But I'm not sure about the microwave. Yeah, it does. It's under there. Same TV. There you go. All the same. I'll leave a link at the end for my line ID and you can contact me if you're interested. But we'll go and have a look at the pool and the gym and then Mirage. So this is the rooftop. This is facing, it's sat hip down that direction and Bang Saray. And the fitness room, the gym. Not bad. Look at the sea views over there, looking up to Jomtien. Here's the rooftop pool, look at that. Showers. And the centre of town. There's a sign over there, yellow and green, that's CJ little supermarket right there. Bars in all the side streets. I've shown you in lots of different videos. Look at that. Beautiful. Righto, see you Mirage. Alright, final room. One of my favourite buildings. I say that about all of them, but this is Mirage Bang Saray. I love this place. It's low rise, private, not far to the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. Parking. And a friend of mine, Roger, lives here, so hello Roger. Hopefully I'll bump into him. People park their bikes there. They used to have bicycles there you could use for free. Not sure anymore. But good security.
Yeah, okay.
Nice garden. This is a 48 square metre corner unit. Looking forward to seeing that. 1 bedroom. Tell you what. So we're on the 5th floor. Looking at directly at Del Mar and beautiful sea view. It's going to look like it's miles away. I know you're always going to say the same thing. Corner unit. Good thing about this side is you don't get any afternoon sun, just a tiny bit. $13,500 per month. Bit unusual. I don't know whether I'd change that. Put the TV over there and the sofa there and make this the dining. Anyway, maybe. Not sure if Wi-Fi is included. I'll have to check, but this is strictly long-term only, this one. $13,500 a month. Minimum 1-year contract. Put your suitcase up there. Towels. This doesn't look like it's ever been lived in. Could be wrong. Bed feels nice. Nice quality linen. Queen size. Anyway, you can open these windows here, get some fresh air. Knife block, range hood, 2 hob, fridge, microwave, kettle, toaster. No cutlery. That stuff's cheap. Brand new mop and bucket there. Fry pan and a little pot. Which would be a great starter or even the one for 8,500. And I can tell you honestly, and yeah, maybe it was because I was making YouTube videos, but I was never home during the day. Seriously, it was only when I got sick. But you're out exploring every day. Just jump on a bike, go for a ride. There's so much to do. Go to Rayong, go to Utapao Airport, go to Sriracha, go to Bang Saray. Oh, there's so much to do. Look at that. What a beautiful place. That road there, that soy, second bit road, just there. You can get on a BART bus and, well, it's 20 minutes to Jomtien in my car or on a bike. A bit longer on a BART bus, 20 baht. And that soy there goes down to the beachfront. I'll show you that. 8th floor, we've got lockers there. And here's and whose saunas. And the gym. But there's aircon. Not too bad, and the pool's up there. Great building this, I like it. Not many people live here. Toilet, showers, yoga room. You can, this is like a community room. You can order food here if you want. Or have a few guests. There's a barbecue out there. Gas barbie. And Matt, if you're watching, there's your hippo, buddy. That's for you, Matt. Just for you. And there's another one over there. And if I was laying around a pool, there'd be a third one. Look at that. Look at this for a pool. Jeez. Beautiful. Look at that for a view. Little vending machine with soft drinks and juice. Reception, touristic. Just driving out of Mirage. Open crab. So, if you haven't seen all my Bang Saray videos, a number of times I've shown drives along Beach Road, the back ways, the main centre of town, the 7-Elevens, the bars. There's a great nightlife down here. It's just not in your face like it is in Pattaya or Jomtien. It's hidden down the soys. It's a military area, so they can't. But there's Del Murray. And if I go left, that's Beach Road and into town. If I go right, I can get up to second bit as well. Pretty good value, guys. 7,000 in a modern building. You're going to say it's a shoebox, but who cares? It's a bed. It's somewhere to put your clothes and suitcase and chill and relax and go out and enjoy life. Don't worry about it. You get used to it. I understand if you're going to sit around at home all day watching TV and playing computer games, but if you're moving to Thailand, why are you going to do that? Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And what was I going to say? There'll be a QR code on the screen, so you can contact me if you're interested. Hey Rick.